Many people have been getting scammed on Binance P2p. So guys, if you also use Binance P2p, grab your seat and keep this video to the end because it's helpful. I'm going to share with you how people have been getting scammed on Binance P2p and how to avoid those scammers. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, let's get started. Now, this is how most of the people get scammed on Binance P2p, especially here in Uganda. It happens mostly when you are selling crypto. When you are selling crypto, that is how most of the people get scammed. When you are buying, you are a bit safe because when you are buying, you're the one to send to the buyer the money and then they release crypto for you. But when you are selling, the buyer sends you money and then you release crypto. Now, how do they scam you? Once they send you the money and then you release your crypto, that buyer calls, maybe if you are using Airtel money or M10 mobile money, that buyer calls the company that they have sent the money to the wrong number. Hope you guys, you understand this. After you releasing the crypto, they call maybe M10 mobile money service center and they tell them that I've sent some money on a wrong number. So M10 mobile money will help that person and reverse the money. So you guys, that's how people get scammed on Binance P2p. So guys, be careful when you are selling your crypto on. Make sure you are near mobile money and withdraw that money and get it in cash before you release your crypto, or maybe send it to another number before you release your crypto, because once you get scammed that way, Binance will not even help you, since you've already accepted that you have received the exact amount of money from the buyer and it's true you have received it. But after you releasing, that person may call customer care and tell them that they have sent money on a wrong number and they will help them reverse the money back to them. So guys, if you get scammed that way, there is no way you're going to be helped. So guys, be careful, be careful. Just do what I've told you, unless you trust the buyer you're selling your crypto to, then that's okay. But if you're not trusting the person, make sure you first send that money somewhere else or withdraw it, then you release your crypto, because I've seen many people getting scammed that way. I heard about this 1 year back from my mentor. He made a video on YouTube, but seems many people are getting scammed this way. So guys, if you are watching this video, don't be selfish, share it with other people so that everyone gets to know about this scam going on Binance P2p. Don't forget to like the video, the more you, and don't forget to subscribe guys. See you in the next video.